Everyone, this is Rajesh Kumar, founder and president of Eternal Hearts of Humanity, and this is our office which was inaugurated on 14th of this month. So I will take you to a quick tour of our office, so come with me. So this is the first room. This is generally the reading room or whatever the things the volunteers want to do, they can do here. And I have a good collection of some of the books I read, like Swami Vivekananda, Mother Teresa, and many life stories are present here, and along with some novels. So generally, this is like a reading room for our office. So this is the main office room. So we'll be meeting people here, and you can see we have all the things. We have the Wi-Fi, the speakers, and the banner. And the main thing is everything we did on our own, coming to the banner designs or preparing the speakers or any other things, the painting works, etc. Everything was did by our volunteers with our own hands. So this is the main office room. Up top where I work, this is the place where I sit. And yes, so this is my favorite room. So here, this is our meeting room come YouTube studio. So here we will be having our normal meets with our volunteers, and we are also doing some unique fundraising events where we will be conducting workshops, we will be offering courses and freelancing services to others. So generally this is where this is a small version of it, and soon we are going to have a renovation and we are going to move outside. So there we will open a new training center regarding all these things. So this is our general meeting room, and we have we will be placing some two sofas here. So where we will be interviewing all the NGO volunteers, what are the problems the society is facing and what are the works they are doing in order to help them. So this is where you will be seeing some two sofa sets, and we will be doing interviews for them. Come on. And this is our normal kitchen. So mainly we will be doing some good food drives, food distribution drives, and etc. So mainly for street dogs. So we will be cooking some food here and we'll be taking and feeding them. So this is our kitchen, and we have all the extra stuff like the bags, or this is like a storage room come kitchen. So where we'll be cooking food for homeless people and for street dogs, and we have all the things here. This is like a storage room. If you want to store any other things, we have additional room there itself. We are not going to use that. So this is our kitchen, and this is our meeting hall. Come YouTube studio. Thank you guys, thank you for love and support always, and It's been less than a year we have started our trust, and we are now successfully opened our office. Keep supporting us, and now as promised, after our graduation we are on a journey to spread smiles. Thank you for always being there. Thank you for always supporting. Keep supporting. Thank you.